As the Ukrainian drone army is staying busy, taking out a lot of Russian equipment, one of the most effective ways to take out Russian tanks are drones with shape-charged warhead, often taken from an RPG warhead, as a T-80BV tank can take an RPG hit on the front and side without resulting in too much damage. The same thing can't be said to the weaker section of the tank. As this Ukrainian drone operator knows this, the aim is often the top back section, as the armor is thin here with no explosive reactive armor, fairly easily avoiding the code cache that covers little area the drone wants to hit, using the RPG warhead, making the shape charge to penetrate into the tank, either damaging or destroying the engine, or in this case, exploding ammunition, causing the turret to blow off, completely destroying the tank, making an exchange between an expensive tank and a cheap drone, taking out one more Russian tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.